Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Blackstone griddle suddenly stops clicking or the igniter no longer lights the burners the way it normally should, the battery may simply need replacing. Sometimes people assume something major is wrong with the grill, while in many cases the igniter just loses power over time and stops responding properly. Since the igniter system helps start the burners quickly, changing the battery safely can help bring everything back to normal without much effort. The good part is that replacing a Blackstone igniter battery usually only takes a few minutes once you know where to look. In this video, let's go through several easy and safe steps to change the Blackstone igniter battery. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Blackstone griddle and confirm the burners are completely cool. Step 2. Find the igniter area on the Blackstone griddle near the control knobs. Step 3. Open the igniter cap on the Blackstone griddle to reach the old battery. Step 4. Remove the old battery from the Blackstone griddle and place the new one correctly. Step 5. Tighten the igniter cap back onto the Blackstone griddle after checking the fit. Step 6. Press the igniter on the Blackstone griddle and confirm clicking starts working normally again.